Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to take off rear door panel on Lexus UX 250. First, I start remove this plastic cover, what is behind the hidden Phillips screw. I start with this because if I drop the screw, I have less chance I drop in the hole. Alright, then we wearing gloves, nice cream leather, and just need a squeeze hard and lifting up. Twist it and come out this plastic. Alright, here is a other hidden screw what need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and then just need lift up the window switch. Okay, unplug, and behind other hidden screw what still need a Phillips screwdriver. I set up the lights for you guys. I hope now you have a better visibility. Alright, all screw out. This back door card haven't got lights, so don't need worry about the lights cable. So just here, pulling hard all the way. And lifting up, okay? When it's lift up, only need unplug first the handle, and then need unplug the door lock. Normally it's easy, looks like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.